Hello and welcome. So today we're going to be making these super cute cowboy hat cupcakes. These are so simple. You only need a couple things and you could make these with kids or anybody who doesn't have amazing cake skills. They're super easy to make. All you're going to need is Pringles, Twizzlers, pull and peel. So these are just the ones that you peel a piece off of. And gumdrops that have white ones in them. I am making white cowboy hats. We are gearing up for the Calgary Stampede where I live. It is coming this week, so I thought it would be fun to make cowboy themed cupcakes, and these are so easy. So keep watching and I'll show you how to make these. Okay, so you're gonna have your Pringle like this. You're gonna take a gumdrop and dip it in some white frosting and place it in the middle. The Pringles can be a little bit breakable, so I don't recommend pressing too hard. Then we are going to use our red Twizzler, and it's just going to go around the gumdrop like that, as like a little band around the middle of the hat. And I'm gonna use the white frosting for that as well. I'm just going to dip it in and get it all sticky. Nice and sticky. And then stick that around the gumdrop. Break off the excess. So it looks like that. Cute little hat. Okay, then I'm gonna take my cupcake, and I have my chocolate icing in a piping bag with Wilton 1M. I do think if you're doing the white hat, it does pop on a chocolate cupcake with chocolate icing more than a vanilla would. Maybe a little bit harder to see it. So I'm gonna start in the middle, squeeze, go around, and then I'm gonna build it back up to the top like that. And then you're just gonna take your hat and gently place it on top. I like to go a little bit down in the back. And then you have a little cowboy hat cupcake. Okay, so it is that easy to make your little cowboy hat cupcakes ready for any sort of rodeo cowboy event. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.